Hello everyone.
If you are watching this video, chances are IELTS is somewhere on your mind.
Maybe you have already booked your test, or maybe you are planning to book it soon
Or you are just confused.
and don't know where to start.
And that
confusion is
very
normal.
This IELTS preparation may feel overwhelming. Too many videos, too many tips, too many opinions.
So, in this video, we are here to slow everything down for you. We are not here to rush information. We are here to explain IELTS properly.
This is a complete IELTS course where you will understand how IELTS works, why questions are designed in a certain way, what examiners actually look for, and how you can prepare for IELTS at home step by step.
Whether you are doing IELTS online preparation or studying on your own, this video will give you clarity.
So take a deep breath.
Relax and let's start from the scratch.
Before we talk about listening, reading, writing or speaking, you must understand one very important thing. IELTS is not testing your intelligence. IELTS is testing one thing only. Can you use English in real life situation? That's it. That's why IELTS has 4 sections: listening, reading, writing, speaking. Because that's how language works in real life. You listen, you read, you write, you speak. IELTS simply checks how well you can do these 4 things in English. And this is why IELTS is trusted globally by 12,500 universities, government and employers. Once you understand this, half of your fear disappears. Now let's understand one most important thing, the IELTS format.
Now let's understand the IELTS test format. IELTS has 2 versions, IELTS Academic and IELTS General Training. IELTS Academic test is for universities, study abroad, higher education, and IELTS General Training test is for PR, work visa and migration. Listening and speaking are same for every module, just reading and writing change slightly. Each section is scored from 0 to 9 and your final band score is total average of all 4 sections. Now let's talk about the IELTS 4 modules, listening, reading, writing and speaking.
So let's talk about listening test. Listening test is the first section on testing, and for many students, it's the easiest section to improve. Now how the listening test works. So you will hear 4 recordings, 40 questions, different accents and audio plays only once. Now here is the key understanding. IELTS listening is not about fast English, it's about focused listening. So now the biggest question is, why students lose marks? Let me tell you, most students lose marks because they stop listening after missing one answer. Secondly, they expect exact words. And most importantly, they panic. So here is the thing. IELTS does something very important. It paraphrases everything. Meaning, the question will say one thing and the audio will say the same thing in different words. Let me help you with an example. So if a question is, what is the cost of the course? Then the audio might say, the total fee for the program is $500. Which means the meaning is same, but the words are different. Now let's move on to how you can prepare for IELTS listening test at home. So when you practice, first, always read the question before the audio. Second, predict the type of answers. Third, focus on meaning and not the spelling first. And last but not the least, use the last 10 minutes very wisely. And you know how you can improve your listening. Practice daily, analyze your mistakes and understand why your answers are correct. This is why IELTS online preparation works well if done consistently. So let's move further on to IELTS reading section.
Now let's talk about IELTS reading. Reading feels difficulty because students approach it in the wrong way. Big truth about IELTS reading is it is not testing your memory, vocabulary knowledge and reading speed. Basically, it is testing can you find information efficiently? And after this, here comes the most important thing. Why students struggle? Because they waste time, read word by word and try to understand everything. Basically, IELTS passages are long on purpose. They want to see how you manage information. Listen to this carefully, how IELTS reading actually works. Every answer is written clearly in the passage, appears in order, and it's paraphrased. So your job is not to read, your job is to locate information. Example, children may appear as young people. Problem may appear as issues. So you see, that's why vocabulary matters. but functional vocabulary, not fancy words. So, if you are preparing for IELTS at home, practice scanning daily. And I hope this helps you to prepare better for IELTS reading test. And now let's move on to the next segment, which is IELTS Private.
So now let's talk about IELTS writing test. This is where most students feel stuck. So let me simplify it for you. IELTS writing is not about writing like a poet. It's about writing clearly and logically. To start with writing task 1, this task is about factual writing, in which you need to describe a graph, a chart, a table, a map, or a process. And basically, your job is to say what you see, highlight key trends, and compare important data. Which means no opinions, no reasons. Just think of yourself as a news reporter. Now let's make you familiarized with writing task 2. This task checks, can you organize your ideas, can you explain your opinions, and can you support your arguments? Which means even simple English works if your structure is strong. Now moving on, let's explore why some of the students score a low band. Reasons are very simple, because they memorize essays, they don't answer the question, and most importantly, they lack paragraph clarity. Now, to avoid such mistakes, let's help you know how you can prepare for IELTS writing test at home. First, learn the structure, then write slowly, get feedback, and improve one thing at a time. Remember, writing is a skill that improves with patience. Now let's move further on to the last section, which is the IELTS speaking test.
Now let's talk about IELTS speaking. Speaking is not an interview, it is a conversation. Now you have to understand what examiners want. They want to see, can you communicate ideas? Can you continue speaking? Can you express thoughts clearly? Moving on, here are the tips on how to answer speaking questions. Use this simple flow. Answer, explain, give an example. Remember, you have to speak slowly and pause naturally. Because confidence comes from practice, not from perfect grammar. If you want to prepare for IELTS for free, then start speaking daily, even alone. So that's why, to help you prepare better, we have free IELTS prep material on our official IELTS IDP India website. Go and check it out.
So let's get started. Here is something very important. You do not need expensive coaching for IELTS. You can prepare for free just by using our official IDP IELTS material. Like free practice test, real exam style questions, official band descriptors, mock test, online masterclass, and expert guidance. These resources show you what IELTS truly expects. For IELTS online preparation, always trust official sites. And remember, IELTS is not trying to trick you, it's trying to understand your English. So if you prepare smartly, practice consistently, and understand your test, you will definitely score your desired band. So if this video helped you understand IELTS better,
Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with someone who is preparing for IELTS.
all the best for your IELTS test.
See you in the next video.